Judge Von V. Court is now in session. Judge, this is the case of the Pearson.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Ms. Pearson, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, we had been together for a really long time. About 4 years ago, we decided to adopt a child, and she broke up with me about 4 years ago. About 2 years ago, and stopped paying child support. And so I have had all the responsibility of our daughter, and she barely comes around.
That's really not.
Ma'am, let her finish. You will have your opportunity to speak.
Okay.
Okay, I can roll my eyes too. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
She never sees our daughter, and recently she just changed jobs. She was making a lot of money, and she just dropped jobs so that, because right when I started talking to her about child support, she changed jobs because she wanted to make sure that she wasn't ever going to have to pay anything more than what
Okay,
she
ma'am, where do you used to work?
I was a teacher.
Okay. How much were you making as a teacher?
Oh, I think around 40,000.
Are you sure about that?
Well,
Because based on the paperwork that you provided, your teacher's salary was $55,000 a year.
well, that doesn't include what I put into profit sharing.
Is that true or not?
55?
$55,000. Your document.
Strap in, because this case isn't just another routine custody dispute, it's a storm of allegations, courtroom tension, and a verdict that'll have people debating long after the gavel drops. On one side, Miss Pearson claims she's been forced to shoulder nearly every responsibility while her ex-partner suddenly scaled back her job the moment child support was on the line. The timing, according to Pearson, is far too convenient to ignore. But here's the big question. Was this a deliberate move to dodge financial duty, or could there be circumstances we don't see yet? What unfolds next pulls us straight into the heart of a legal showdown that's anything but ordinary.
Oh, it's not a probably.
That's
You
true.
submitted it. Thank you.
Okay,
$55,000 a year. How much are you making now? Like, where are you working at now?
Well, I'm working at a store as a clerk, and I'm making 30,000 a year now.
Okay. And you said you're a teacher, so
Yes.
what type of degrees do you have for that?
I have a degree in economics,
Okay. You have one degree or you have multiple degrees?
Well, and I have my master's in accounting.
You have a master's in accounting and you're working as a clerk.
Yes.
What are you doing at this job?
Well, I help people find clothes.
Like a retail clerk?
Yes.
Ma'am, you have a master's degree.
Yes.
Did-
but I don't have to make all that money
No, you.
if I'm just going to give it all away anyway.
So let me get something straight. She's deliberately, what you're saying is she's deliberately working at this retail job. Now I get it.
I can do
You know,
any job I want.
You know what? Your character is not looking very cute to me at all, because you have tried to misrepresent to me what is really going on in this case. You stopped working as a teacher so you would not have to pay that higher amount in child support. Is that not the case?
Well,
Is that not the case?
we discussed it, and she didn't seem to have an objection. And I just thought I was paying enough.
No.
And when I talked to my daughter, she loves me more anyway, and she should come live with me. And I know that's not a matter for this.
Wait a second, let's break this down. We've got someone holding a master's degree in accounting, a field packed with opportunities, yet she's clocking in as a retail clerk? Sure, people switch careers all the time, but the timing here raises more than a few eyebrows. Right when child support enters the picture, her income slides from 55 grand to barely 30. That's not just a career pivot, that's a financial freefall. And the numbers don't lie, a pay cut like that cuts obligations nearly in half. So here's the real puzzle, are we looking at an innocent career shift, or is this a strategic move to keep more money in her own pocket? Because in a courtroom, timing can speak louder than excuses.
For what we're here on today, because based on what we've already discussed, the child lives with her, correct?
Yes.
Okay, and you're not providing any type of financial support anymore. correct?
I provide emotional support all the time. The child.
You know what? That is not, you cannot quantify emotional support. Stop it. I'm just going to go on with what I need to do because you obviously came here to play games today.
No, my baby loves me.
Yes, you did.
She loves me more
and your
than she
baby
loves
needs
her.
money. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Your baby needs money, and you want to do what's in her best interest. So what I'm going to do, how long ago did she stop working as a teacher? Was it recent?
Yes.
How recent?
6 months ago.
6 months ago?
Yeah.
No, ma'am. Your child support is going to be set at that $55,000 because it sounds like you are intentionally underemployed, so you do not have to pay a higher amount in child support, and that is ridiculous because you're not cheating her. You're cheating your child. So, based on $55,000 a year, I have your gross at $4,583.33. Is there a reason your mouth is open? Do you need some water?
I just can't believe you're being so mean.
Oh, I'm not being mean at all, ma'am. You, on the other hand, are being mean. You deliberately stopped working. You have a master's degree and you went to a retail store so you would not have to pay for your daughter.
Well, that's my prerogative.
And just like that, the judge isn't buying it for a second. The hesitation, the stumbles in her answers, it's the kind of moment where the truth practically gives itself away. She leans on the argument that her daughter loves her more and therefore should live with her, but love alone doesn't keep the lights on. Emotional bonds are powerful, yes, but they don't replace the very real need for food on the table, clothes that fit, or tuition that has to be paid on time. In family court, actions weigh heavier than words. And if gaining custody was truly her top priority, wouldn't demonstrating financial stability for her child be step one, not an afterthought? That's the contradiction staring everyone in the face.
Out to you, keep listening. So I have your net at $3,794.48. Who carries health insurance for the child?
I do. I do everything.
Based on this, I see health insurance at $1,200 a month.
Well,
ma'am, where do you work?
I work for the airlines.
Okay.
And the $1,200 is for me and the child.
Okay.
The child portion is $400.
Okay, I'm seeing that. I'm seeing that. No, it's ridiculous that you're not paying. But guess what? You're getting ready to pay now, and you're going to repay whatever the amount is for the child. Well, that's $400.
She doesn't even love our daughter. She loves her 4 cats more than our daughter.
Ma'am, you know what?
That
is not, excuse me, the two of you will address me, and that is not an issue for this court. Nobody cares about what's going on with the cats. We care about what's going on with the child. No offense to your cats. That's not what I mean. I mean in terms of calculating this child support. So, health insurance, you're going to be responsible for reimbursing that. So I have your child support obligation at $758.90 plus $400 for the monthly health insurance, comes out to $1,158.90.
Am I paying the whole $400 a month, or is she paying any of it?
Did you hear me put you on a payment plan for that? If you didn't, you're paying the full amount, $1,158.90. And I need you to close your mouth. I just don't understand why you're looking so confused right now. Child support is based on the calculation.
Oh, the judge has officially run out of patience, and it shows. Think about it, sitting there with the education, the skills, and the clear ability to earn more, yet deliberately settling for less simply to keep from contributing? That's not just avoiding child support, that's avoiding the very role of being a parent. The court isn't blind to that kind of maneuver, and now the consequence is crystal clear. She's locked into a $158 monthly payment, whether she likes it or not. It's a reminder that in family law, you can play games with your career, but you can't play games with a child's well-being. Call it accountability, call it justice, but either way, Karma didn't waste any time showing up in this courtroom.
Not much anymore.
Well, but you just testify, right? That you intentionally are working at a lower paying job, right?
Right.
Okay, so I have the discretion to set your child support at that same amount that you were making as a teacher, because you can make more than what you're currently making as a clerk.
Well,
if there's nothing,
that.
Well, you know now. If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Well, can you make her come see the baby, our child?
I can't make her, but ma'am, please go visit with the child. Do not punish the child because you're upset. Are you mad at the cats? I mean, don't punish the
I don't wanna be
child.
around the cats. Can you put the cats away when
Yes.
I come?
Ma'am, put the cats away so she can
Yes,
come visit with the
yes.
I'll
child.
come visit.
Thank you. You all are
It's
dismissed.
sad. It's sad.
And there it is, the gavel comes down hard. The judge makes it clear, child support isn't a suggestion, it's a calculated obligation, and this courtroom won't tolerate anyone deliberately working below their potential to skirt responsibility. What makes it even more unbelievable is that she still tries to negotiate after being called out. And then, that last-minute request just to come see the baby? It's almost too much. Here's the truth, money can be ordered by the court, but parenting can't be forced by paperwork. That's where the real heartbreak lies. So now the question turns to you, is financial accountability enough in cases like this, or should the system push for deeper consequences when someone actively dodges their role as a parent? Let us know your thoughts down below. If this case left you shaking your head, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We've got more courtroom showdowns you won't believe coming your way.